It's snowing and it's a new year. We are right now at Gulmarg and with me is the Director Tourism. We'll try to speak with him. Sir, how are you seeing the change? It's a quite visible change that tourism has revived in Kashmir, particularly this side. There are hundreds of tourists who have come to celebrate New Year. What would be your message to entire country?
Everyone is happy, and the influx of the tourists on the advent of the closure of the previous year and the advent of the new year is actually it is very a moment for which we were aspiring for so far, and we are happy to have such a number of guests on this occasion, and they are celebrating, they are enjoying, and we as stakeholders in the tourism sector, we are also just enjoying their company in this snow, because nature is also with us now. So I think the coming days would be full of merriments, joy and happiness for the country and for tourists and the population of the valley at large.
Sir, what are the arrangements made by the tourism department for the tourists? Because there is a winter season which is going on, and what are the arrangements made by the tourism department for tourists?
As you know that Kashmir is not only a destination for summers, it is for winters as well. Across the destinations which are presently open, including Gulmarg, Pahalgam, Sonmarg, and even in Srinagar, the snow is not any kind of any new thing. It is actually from times immemorial this destination is having snowfall, and it is one of the attractions. Tourists are enjoying it outside. As far as the infrastructural edifice is concerned, it is already in place, and I don't think that the cold is going to deter the celebrations, and the cold is going to deter the advent of the new adventure tourism season in the valley.
Sir, one last question from my side. There are many tourist destinations which are still closed, but tourists want that they should be reopened. So how is it impacting on tourism, and when these tourist destinations will be open?
As far as as Director Tourism Kashmir is concerned, I think the present destinations which are open to us, they had been the main base of the tourism in the valley. For example, you will just speak about the main Srinagar city. There you are having Dal, you are having Shankaracharya, you are having the Hazrat Shrine, you are having so many attractions which are primarily in the Srinagar base. Then you are having Mughal gardens adjacent to them. And as far as Pahalgam is concerned, that's a valley within the valley. And then you will speak about the Sonmarg. See, it's very beautiful. You are having fresh gushing waters there and snow-capped mountains. And then if you turn up to Gulmarg, it is one of the best skiing destinations. Presently, whatever is palatable and available to us is, I think, enough to entertain the incoming guests to the valley.
Thank you so much, sir, for talking to NewsX. It was Director Tourism who was talking to us for the revival of tourism. It's a new year, and lots of tourists are coming to celebrate the New Year celebrations in Gulmarg. With Firoz Wani, this is Ashik Mir for NewsX.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.